So, what's it like being Sonic's assistant? You have a daily routine, paid time off, benefits?
Oh, I'm not Sonic's assistant. We're teammates. He's the leader, Knuckles is the muscle, and I'm the gadget guy. We all have a role to play. That's what makes the team so special. That and the fact we're best friends.
You are.
Well, yeah, just like you and Eggman, right?
Yeah, of course, yes. Me and the doctor, best of friends. But you and I are done.
Sir, it's too dangerous, and I'm not there to protect you. I already lost you once.
Unsubscribed, blocked, and reported.